We will continue from where we left off in the video Data Transformation 1. If you missed it, don't worry, here is the link. I will also add the link at the end of this video. I am using a Google Sheet dataset called School Inventory. I will post the link in the description. We are transforming in PowerQuery, so you have to go to Home and click it Transform Data. To rename a query, go to the Queries pane on the left. Right-click the query you want to rename. Select Rename from the drop-down menu. Type the new name and press Enter. We are going to clean some data such as pentals and the null. To replace values, select the column where you want to replace values. Click on Replace Values. Enter the value you want to replace and the new value. Select the column with null values. Click on Replace Values. In this example, we are replacing nulls by 0. Notice that the steps are being recorded. To better understand the steps and maintain a cleaner pipeline, it's a best practice to rename them. Especially when you have too many steps, you won't remember what you're transforming. Next, we will create a new query from the original query using Duplicate a Query. Right-click on the query in the Queries pane. Select Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of the query, which you can then rename and modify as needed. We want to keep just the category column. We select Category Column, right-click and select Remove Other Columns. Only column category will be kept. Click Remove Duplicates. This will remove duplicate entries in the selected column, keeping only the first occurrence. To add a new column with discount values, go to the Add Column tab. Click on Custom Column. In the formula editor that opens, you can define the new column using existing columns and various functions. Enter the name for the column and in our case, we will add the constant value of 10, then click OK. Here is our new query without duplicates. Now imagine that you now need to have all the months and respective quantities into single columns. For that, we will use unpivot. Click to select the columns you want to unpivot. You can select multiple columns by holding down the Control key and clicking on each column you want to include. With the column selected, right-click on one of the highlighted column headers. From the context menu, choose Unpivot Only Selected Columns. This will convert the selected columns into two new columns, one for the attribute, column name, and one for the value.